Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog at Mark Tech Studio, and today I'm taking you to one of the most beautiful places here in Singapore, the Gardens by the Bay. This iconic attraction is a must visit for everyone coming to Singapore, and I'm excited to show you around. First up are the super trees. These towering structures are not just beautiful to look at, but they also serve as an important purpose. They're actually vertical gardens that help to cool down the surrounding area and provide shade. At night, the super tree comes alive with stunning lights and sound show that's not to be missed. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can always take a walk on the OCBC Skyway. This is a suspended walkway that's 22 meters above the ground and offers stunning view of the super trees and surrounding gardens. Next up is the Cloud Forest. This is another amazing greenhouse that's home to a stunning indoor waterfalls and a variety of plants from tropical highlands. As you walk to the Cloud Forest, you will feel like walking through a real rainforest. It's a truly magical experience.
七七蹦蹦，你懂不懂？我像一条龙，你不过一条小小蜈蚣。七七蹦蹦，去蹦去蹦，去去蹦蹦，你懂不懂？我像一棵松，你不过一个小小洋葱。一个天来一个地，我和你相差不知多少里，我就是假几家，却也不会嫁给你。去去蹦蹦，去蹦去蹦，去去蹦蹦，你懂不懂？我是一条龙，怎能够嫁你小小蜈蚣
And our last stop is the Flower Dome. It is the largest glass greenhouse in the world, and it's the home of stunning collection of plants from all over the world. As you can see, the Flower Dome is divided into different regions, each of its own unique flora and fauna. From the Mediterranean to the South Africa, there's something for everyone here.
像一棵松，你不过一个小小洋葱。一个天来一个地，我和你相差不知多少里，我就是假几家，却也不会嫁给你。去去蹦蹦，去蹦去蹦，去去蹦蹦，你懂不懂？我是一条龙，怎能够嫁你小小蜈蚣？